Welcome to the Ultimate English Fluency Journey, a 25-part podcast series that will take you from hesitation to confident English speaking. Have you ever studied English for years, yet when it's time to speak, you just freeze?
Or maybe you start talking, but your sentences feel unnatural, like you're translating everything in your head?
You're not alone. English learners around the world struggle with fluency. But today, we're going to show you exactly why speaking feels so hard and, more importantly, how to fix it.
And trust me, some of these fixes are so simple, you'll wonder why no one ever told you before.
Why is speaking English so hard? All right, Sam. Let's be real. English fluency isn't just about knowing words, right?
Absolutely. If that were true, every English student would be fluent. But clearly, that's not the case.
So why do learners struggle? What's stopping them?
Oh, I know this one. It's because they're thinking in their native language.
Bingo! Translating in your head is the #1 fluency killer.
And it makes speaking feel slow, frustrating, and unnatural. Your brain has to process everything twice, first in your native language, then in English.
Exactly. But that's just the first problem. The second one is even worse.
Let me guess, fear of making mistakes?
100%. So many learners are afraid of sounding stupid.
But let's be honest, no one really cares if you make a mistake.
Exactly. Native speakers won't judge you. They'll appreciate your effort.
And if you don't speak because of fear, guess what? You'll never get fluent.
Facts. And finally, there's a third reason fluency feels hard.
Oh, I know this one. Not enough speaking practice.
Yes, you can't get fluent by just watching videos or reading books. You have to speak.
It's like trying to learn to swim by just watching YouTube tutorials.
Exactly. You need to get in the water. The fix. 3 powerful techniques to unlock fluency. All right, enough talk about the problem. Let's fix it.
Finally. I'm ready. What's the first technique?
Technique number 1, the 1-minute speaking challenge.
Oh, this one's fun. You just pick a topic and speak about it for 1 minute without stopping.
Exactly. No pausing, no thinking, just talk. Even if you make mistakes, keep going.
And the best part? It forces your brain to think in English instead of translating.
Yes. Now, let's talk about technique number 2, shadowing.
Oh, I love this one. You listen to a native speaker and copy them, exactly their pronunciation, rhythm, and tone.
Right. It's like hacking your brain to sound more natural.
And it's easy. Just grab an English podcast or movie scene and repeat after the speaker.
Yup. And finally, technique number 3, the confidence hack.
Oh, I like the sound of that. What is it?
Record yourself speaking.
Ugh, no. I hate hearing my own voice.
Everyone does. But trust me, it's the best way to fix mistakes and boost confidence.
So I just record myself speaking and listen back?
Yes. You'll hear your pronunciation, notice mistakes, and get used to your own voice. It's powerful. What's next? So, we've learned why fluency feels hard and how to fix it. But we're just getting started.
That's right. In the next episode, we're going deeper. We'll reveal the secret to thinking in English.
It's one of the biggest game changers for fluency. You don't want to miss it.
And for now, which of today's techniques will you try first? Let us know in the comments.
And don't forget, like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. See you in the next episode of the Ultimate English Fluency Journey.